Hello everyone. I'm Jay, and welcome to another vlog. So, my cousin Jay is having a trouble, so I'm going to tour you to our new server. So, I hope you guys like it, and let's wait for my cousin to join. She already here, but she getting glitchy. So, let's go wait her. Okay, she's here, guys. My cousin Jay, my twinnie. So she's here now. So JJ is getting legs. So let's say. I hope you guys like and subscribe for new video.
On part 2.
Yeah, for part 2.
Right
Say hi, Jay. Hi! So let's go, guys. I'm so excited to show you. Oh, and Jay will show her house. Okay, Jay, go ahead and show your house. Our house is underground because of my dragon. Yeah, it's going to explode. This is her bathroom and her kitchen. She always hit me. And this is her room. It's a little bit her tiny because she loves small and other. Yeah. Wow. Did you just close the door? Get up! Yeah, I can't. Help me! I'm stuck. So Jay will show her dragon. Dry fire. Yes, dry fire. Her favorite color violet. Dry fire. Before, yeah, dry fire. Oh my god. Can someone? Oh wow. Okay, so this is Starfire. Her favorite color. Hi, Starfire. Okay, guys, it's my house door. First, we're going to outside. This is my she's hungry. Night Bloom. Night Bloom always hungry, so I will leave that to Jay and her dog. Our horse. I love white horse. And Jay got black. And then we're going inside. We're going to Toothless. There is my boy. Hey, Toothless. Yeah, and have a new food. Okay, Toothless love outside. Okay, we're going inside. And she's lagging. So let's just go inside. This is my home, living room, and my cat. Hey, catty. Let's close it. And my under chest, my bed, my kitchen, and my armor. Rawr. And love. Oh my god. And a small bathroom with Night Bloom head. And some a mirror. And we're going out in my room. So this is my room. I got a closet and my mirror for my makeup and some table when I want to watch some sky And my computer for Minecraft. I have a mini kitty and then my cat bed. And my cat, some neon. Cat and dog. And my room. I love my color black and white.
Who's following me?
Who? Who?
Wait, I'm trying to find you. Where's the door?
And there have a kitty hamster. Hello there, baby.
Where's the door?
Um,
I'm so
so I have this ender chest for teleporting to inside. And yes, someone is logging. Hi. So guys, if you have if you want to join to our server, we'll be happy to for many friends, right?
And thank you guys for supporting us.
Okay, I think we will end this now cause
Because we're gonna make it new.
yeah. Wait. Okay guys, if you guys like it to making prank for Jay, I would love to. So let's wait for that come.
Thank you guys for supporting us, and if our subscribers say loading.
She got loading. So anyway, I hope you will like the tour.
Okay guys,
So I hope
see you in the
next video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Ow! She getting lying name back there. So bye bye. Bye bye. She's twerking. Yeah, bye everyone.